Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on ZTE Blade A32. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being right here, and I would guess that's the main speaker. Then there's the next speaker, which is phone call, which is made for phone calls, and it's located on top of our screen. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's not. Now let's try it out. And clearly I can already tell that the sound is coming only from the bottom speaker, which means that this device doesn't have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.